YouTube? Man, found our RB25 new up and coming group. You feel me? Today we gonna be filming a little something, little banger. You feel me? Let me tell y'all something, bro. Y'all girl just got her first sponsorship, boy. Yes, come on, give me clap, come on. Exactly. We gonna do. Oh man, I really hope y'all ain't just see my shit. But today we gonna be doing a little unboxing. Let me tell y'all something, bro. Guess how much money? Guess how much they sent me, bro. Guess how much? Just throw a random number, bro. Whoever gets the exact amount, including tax and shipping, bro, I'm gonna send you like. Whoever guess, I'm gonna send you a free set of Ethicas, bro. That ain't the point of the video today. Ain't no charity case. We gonna get it bit popping. You feel me? I mean, shit. Hey, do it. Y'all can see this is pretty big. And Ethika is just underwear. Not underwear, but like bras and shit. So like, damn, don't want nobody to open it big. Chill. I just left the gym, guys. I'm a little sore. Hey, bro. Maybe something fitness related. Nike. Fuck with your girl. What you talking about, bro? This. Jesus Christ, oh my god. I don't want nobody to open this shit. It don't look like it's too much, but it's enough, bruh. We gonna start off with some of the fingers, boy, I ain't gonna lie. I know what's in here. They let me pick this shit out, bruh, so. I'm gonna show y'all something. If y'all fuck with any of this, let me know what's the hardest piece out of all this, bro. I hope it ain't weird that I'm recording my underwear and shit, but like, whatever you think the hardest piece is, comment down below. This is probably my favorite out of everything they sent me, bruh. Little, you know what I'm saying? We not finna pay for no damn babe shorts, so we gonna get the Ethika version, you feel me? So I'm gonna show a picture of me trying it on in the next clip, and yeah. Before I show y'all that clip, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what other pair of shorts they sent me. Halfway out the bag, Ethika, we gotta do better, bro. How I'm trying to show y'all off, and y'all fucking me up like this, damn. That shit hurt. Anyways. You know, if I get the gray pair, I gotta get the yin yang with it. I got the black pair. I low-key like the... Actually, nah, the black pair is harder. Alright, so next clip, I'm gonna show y'all me trying this bitch on. Yeah, I'm just fucking with you. I'm not doing that shit, bro. I just came back from the gym and I'm tired, bro. Y'all gonna... Best believe you gonna see some fit pics real soon, bro. So first two, got the yin yangs, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all can see the bape. Let me not say bape, but it's close enough, nigga. Who gonna know? If I say it's bape, it's bape. If I say it's bape, it's bape. Straight up. Yeah, I mean the undies and shit. Do y'all keep like the stickers that come with it? Comment down below, because I know some people be keeping up with the stickers, but I just don't feel the need to like what do I need that for? Like, I'm gonna have like 20 stickers after this video, and I don't plan on keeping any of them. Alright, bro. They send you the little, you know, yeah, I mean, they send you the little sticker, bro. Hey, bro, if y'all want these stickers, let me know. I'll ship them to you for free, bro. So that's that. First off, we just got the, you know, it's probably corny as hell, but I like to match my underwear with my outfit. So if I'm wearing like brown that day, I'm gonna wear this bit right here. So why is it wrinkled, Ethika? Damn, bro, Ethika, do better, bro. How y'all gonna send me a wrinkled pair of drawers, bro? Look at the back. Gotta do better, bro. Gotta do better. Next up, we got the all black John. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, if y'all want the stickers or the cards, I don't know why the hell you want the card, but if you want the sticker, let me know, bruh. Hold on. Alright, bruh. There has to be a better way to, like, do this, bruh. Got the all black John. This shit mad wrinkled, too, but you can't see it. I needed some plain undies, bro. I got a crazy Ethika collection. Like, I'm talking, like, it gotta be over, like, I say, like, over, like, 2K, bro. Like, that shit. If y'all want to see that bit, comment down below. I will make it happen. I will make it happen if y'all trying to see that guy, bro. Oh, they sent me an invoice. We got 12 items in this, bro. We got 12 items, so you know what I'm saying? Like, look. This how many more we gotta go, bro. I don't even know y'all can see. Let me put it in the light. Let me not take too much of y'all time. Next. I think, where's this, another black man? Oh, okay, so the other one was more like it was like a black with like red, but this one's all black type shit, so. Oh, wait, no, this is a bra. They sent me a little matching set in a bit. It's a bra. Don't talk about how small it is, twin. You're going to make it enough, you feel me? Black brother go with the black Ethika, you feel me? I'm finna dump that bitch out. Send me another bra. This is to go. I got the bottoms to match with this, but I'm gonna just show y'all, you feel me? Yeah, they package this shit like they don't want you to open it. Card. Where'd the sticker go? Sticker, sticker, sticker. Oh, right here. I was gonna say, somebody want that? Don't be wasting shit. Bruh. It's like a teal paisley. Cool. Next. Next we got white. Now I know what you thinking, bruh. Why would you get all white drawers? This dirty. You gonna have doo-doo stains. That's nasty. If you wash your will surpass. Those are my wise words for today, okay? Oh wait, now this is the bra. Okay. All white bra. So you know what that means. If I got an all white bra, that means I probably got the all white. Where the fuck? Oh wait, no, I didn't order no undies. Maybe y'all right. Doo-doo stains are real. Shouldn't have said that shit. There's something, they said they were sending me something new to try out, so I'm a little excited to see what that is, you feel me? I be on their website a lot. I love their shit, bro. Ethika's the only underwear I wear for real shit. Oh wait, I think this is it. Alright, bro. I know what this is, bro. Look. So these supposed to be their like performance undies, like I need to stop saying undies, bro. Like they performance. I don't even, bro. What do you say besides undies? Draws? I'm not saying draws. That's dirty. It's giving Hanes Fruit of the Loom, and this ain't that. It's supposed to be like the performance pair where it's like if you playing a sport or like swimming or whatever, you wear this. But yeah, they got this on the side. I don't even know if y'all can see that. But yeah, it's supposed to be that little performance pair. This color nice as hell, boy. Like, you know what I'm saying? I would have wore this or like a red pair today. Speaking of red pair, damn, they got me right with all the basics. I got too much of that colorful tigers and crouch. I don't even, if there's an animal on the pair, I'm not buying it straight up. I'm gonna walk around with a line on my saying like, what the fuck? I'm not doing that shit, bro. You gotta be a different around with a tiger on your. I'm saying like that shit, bro. How old are we, bro? Like middle school, okay, but niggas is 18, 19, baby mama at the crib, 2 jobs, and one of them is fast food, the other one's retail, with a tiger on your. But do better. Anyways, red pair, you feel me? I'm just glad they sent me the right size, cause niggas be bullshitting. Red bra to go with it. We love the matching pairs. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Like, it's cool they include stickers. I wish more brands did that, but I just feel like at this point, like, I'm just losing them. Like, oh, it's right here. I'm just losing them at this point. Like, I don't even. But yeah. Oh, this is another performance pair. The red look tough. I ain't gonna lie. The red might be the toughest one, bro. Yeah, that's him. That's Himothy. That's Himmy Turner. Him Duncan. That's all I got for you, bro. Ethika to the Deathka. Yeah, it's the performance pair. Okay, now this is tough. I don't really understand what all this shit on the side mean, but Him Duncan is hard. I think it's the last pair. This might be like a 5-minute video. Alright, bro. Let's open the guy up. Another card. I don't even know what they expect you to do with this. Like, bro. There's hella white people on here. Where's the representation? Alright, bro. Anyway, cut that out. Cut that out. I think I was just playing. We love y'all. Alright, bro. Blue pair. Okay, this is a normal pair of blue. I like these. This is chill. Like, you know what I'm saying? This, see with the red, blue. Why I could wear this one. Y'all get the vibe, bro. They all wrinkled as hell. So I'm gonna give y'all my honest review by everything I just unpackaged. 1, everything in there was hard as hell. 2, y'all could have at least folded it. I mean, they folded it, but like, why is it wrinkled? Like, who is on before I touched it type shit? Like, I'm gonna have to wash that guy twice. Minimum. I'm not getting no rashes on my it's not happening. 3, y'all gotta do something with this, man. Hold on, I'm finna show y'all. What am I supposed to do with this, bro? Like, and then look how many stickers. I don't even know if y'all can see. It's hella See, it's too many. It's too many. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video and you just want to see a couple pairs unboxing, a little sponsor shit, yeah, feel me? Not actually sponsored. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Also, forgot to tell y'all, they sent me a little, Yami. So you feel me? If you want that, bruh, you know it's not gonna come for free. There's gonna be a price to pay. You talking about 50% off and free shipping? There's gonna be a price to pay. So I'm thinking, if you do want to get in on that 50% off plus free shipping, comment the fire emoji, and I'm gonna scroll through there, pick somebody random, and DM you, and I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna get you your 50% off, get you your free shipping, and you feel me? I'm gonna get you right, all right? But if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. That's it. Peace out, RB25.